Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make the coolest, cheapest, easiest, simplest, the bestest firecracker ever. Either is any kind of event such as Diwali, Nowruz, New Year, Halloween, Chinese New Year. It's just a wedding, it's just a party, or it's just everyday life in Middle East. Oh no, don't get me wrong. I mean, us people in Middle East, we are actually very happy people. We are very good people, unlike what you see on the media. We love partying. All we need is good music, good food, and that's it. We start and never stop till the music stops. Oh no, please don't start the music. Oh no. That was intense. Anyway, let's show you how to make these firecrackers. This is what I used to do when I was a child. There is some event it's called Charshamba Suri. That's when we have fires, we have firecrackers. Very similar to like a Guy Fawkes in UK, or I don't know, National Day in America or other countries, whenever you celebrate things. So what we need is darts, matches, screws. There are different two types I have. I work with both of them, both works. Two washer bolts. One is enough, just have two in case. A rubber band and a hammer. Right. Oh, a piece of wood. I'm going to show you why I need this. I couldn't find a piece of wood like this, a block long one. I stuck two rulers together, but I'm not going to damage it. I'll put it back. Right. What do we need first is to unscrew the darts. Inside the darts here, there is this hollow, is empty, so that's where your fuel goes there, explosive material, which is matches. And the screws goes inside. The screw has to be longer than the depth of these darts, so sticking out. It doesn't have to stick out this much, it can be less, but that's fine. What I need to do now is to put this sharp part of the dart goes inside this part of the green part or plastic part. Of course I can't push this in, it's hard. The best way to do it is to heat this up and then force it inside. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Don't play with fire. And after you put it in, you can actually use some super glue to secure it inside. I've already done one before, just to show you how it is. You can see I heated this part and went inside. So I'm gonna do the same for the other one and get back to you. Here we go. I've done this inside. As I said, with some super glue you can secure it inside because this comes out. It's hot. But anyway, so after that, rubber band and screws like this. The job of rubber band is to keep the screw in place, so when it acts, when it explodes, you won't lose the screw. The second one would like this. Use a washer bolt for under, goes here, place it there and hammer it. Same technique, rubber band again. Right, here is the second type, wooden one. It's easier this one because when you throw this one in the air, it comes hit the ground and cause an explosion or small explosion inside, a big bang you can hear. This would fly over and goes different places, and it would be hard to find it, especially if it's night time. But this one is always in your hand. All you have to do, boom, on the floor, on the wall, on the not on the camera. So what it needs to explode inside, matches. All we need is between around 3 matches would be enough for each of them. This head of matches here. Inside, put your hands over it and take the red part out, red or brown. That's the fuel for the small explosion and the big bang. Not the Big Bang Theory, just a big bang. Bang. Put the screw back up there, and all you do, you hit it to the hard surface. Not indoor, I have to go outdoor to test it and show it to you. So we are here finally outside. Our 2 firecracker ready. This one you have to throw it upwards. When it come back, hit the ground, it will make a loud bang. And it always will hit from the screw because the center of gravity is lower, it's heavier down here, therefore it will come down this way. The other one you can hold in your hand 90 degree, you can hit either on the ground or on the wall, okay, anywhere you feel like doing it. I will try this one first, okay, so hold it here. Cool, isn't it? The other one needs to just be thrown up. I'm not sure if it's a quite floor. The floor is not completely flat, but let's try. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Just be safe. Don't put too much chemical inside, and stay away from windows, buildings, people. Okay, there's no people around, but stay away from windows. As I said before, if you want to be safe, don't follow me, don't do what I do, do opposite. Have a good time, stay tuned.